teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher time. Hello boys and girls, how are you guys doing today? Are you guys not happy because you have to do your homework right now? Yes? But you still have to do your homework and bring it to your teacher, okay? Alright, so this whole week we have learned all the long U sounds words together, right? So let your teacher's gonna see if you can read all the long U sounds words or not, okay? Yvonne? Okay, Joyce? With all the boys and girls, your teacher's gonna see if you can read the words or not. Okay, Elsa? Alright, so let me see if you can pronounce the words or not, okay? Let's go over the sounds first, okay? What is this, everybody? This one, your teacher said on phonics 1, U sounds like right? But this one has a magic E. So this one sounds like U, okay? U, huge, huge. This one sounds like huge, okay? And this one is Yub, Yub, Yub. Easy, right? What about this one? This is Nuh-uh, Yule, 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 right? And what about this one? This is U, N, U, N. Got it, Lily? Yes? To follow your teacher very well, okay, Lily? This is U, U, N. Ryan and I, are you following? U, N. Got it? Okay, so let's go over all the uni words first. Okay, uni words. I have 3 words. So are you ready? Here we go. This is yun, and this d, yun. This is d, okay? Some of you guys are still confused with the letter B and D. What's wrong with you guys? This is D, okay? Yun, dune. Got it? And what about this one? This is J. J sounds like J, right? J, yun, J, yun. June, right? Joyce and Yvonne, are you watching this video or not? Watching it right now, right? And what about this one? T, yun, n, tune. Got it? T, yun, tune. Was it easy? Yes, it was easy for you guys to read it, right, Ethan? Alright, so let's go over all the yub words. Yub. Where's the yub words? Okay, yub. Yub. See right here, this is yub. T, yub, tube. T, yub, tube. And what about this one? K, yub, cube. Cube. Easy, right? Okay, so guys, are you guys ready to read all the Yule words? I only have 1 word. What is it? What is this, guys? This is Yule, 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 mule, mule. Got it? And this is the last one. Huge, 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 huge. Got it? Huge. Can you read all the words, guys? So, guys, your teacher's gonna see if you can read all the words. So let's go over the words very quickly one more time. Here we go. Huge, mule, cube, tube, dune, June, tune. Got it? Alright, so your teacher's gonna see if you can write the words by yourself. Are you guys ready to write it down on your paper? Yes or no? Yes. Alright, so everybody, here we go. Number 1. Writing homework. Ready? Okay, number 1 for Joyce. Joyce, number 1. This is dune, 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 dune. Number 1. If you don't know the meaning of the dune, ask your mommy right now. Mommy knows. This is dune. Dune. D-une. Dune. Joyce, did you write it down? Okay, number 2. Number 2, ready, guys? Number 2 is tune. T-une. Tune, Yvonne. T-une. Tune. Number 2, tune. And number 3, 4, Elsa. Number 3, Elsa. Tube, tube. Tube, tube. Got it? And number 4, cube, cube. Cube, cube. For Ryan K. Ryan K is doing his homework so well. Your teacher is so happy and so impressed. Ryan K, very nice. This is cube, cube. Cube, cube. Ryan K, very good. Cube, cube. This is number 4, right? Number 5 for Ryan I. This is mule, 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 mule. Got it, Ryan? Yes? Was it easy? Mule. And number 6. Number 6, number 6, number 6 for Aurora. What is this? Number 6 is huge, huge. This is huge. Elephant is huge, right? Huge, huge, huge. Got it, Aurora? Yes? And the last one is for Lily. Lily. This is June, 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 June. Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? All right. So what about Ethan? Ethan, you wrote YouTube on the U words, right? So you can write number 8. Number 8, YouTube. Write it down. YouTube. YouTube. Tube. YouTube. Write it down on number 8. Okay? YouTube. 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 Tube. Okay? Alright, so guys, you guys did an excellent work this week. So finish up your homework at home and bring it to your teacher on Monday, guys. Okay? Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna miss you over the weekend. Alright, so have a safe weekend, guys. Bye-bye.